Let's go!
Just took on a biggin. Oh, he's hooked good. And it's a nice one. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Yo, I've been out here for at least an hour and a half. Look at this fish. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, early morning grind. Get on it, baby. Guys, I just missed another nice one. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, we on. Oh, guys, we on. Oh, we on something big, guys. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Don't do me crazy. Oh, shit. Oh, and he came off. No, don't go me forward. Take me back. Sir, that's 2 in a row. Not 2 in a row. Tripping. That's number 2. The one that's with people. Last one that bit, got him measured up 15.50. Yes, sir. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, a comment, hit that button, subscribe to your boy. Shout out to Gunja, Gone Fishing, for supporting me strong, buying my merch. Appreciate that, dude. This one for you, Gunja. That's for you, boy. Appreciate you. Thank y'all for watching. We out.